Welcome back. In this video, I will introduce the Noffz ITN 1000 GATT functionality. GATT is an acronym for the Generic Attribute Profile, and it defines the way that two Bluetooth low-energy devices transfer data back and forth using concepts called services and characteristics. There are two roles in GATT communication, a GATT server and a GATT client. The GATT server holds the service and characteristic definitions, and the client sends requests to the server. First, let's see how to use the ITN 1000 as a GATT server. On the Bluetooth page, underneath the General Information, select the Services tab. When you click on the Register GATT Application button, you can switch to Editor mode. Here, you can configure your services, characteristics, descriptors, and values too. The editor shows the application's architecture in tree view. If you want to modify something, you can switch to the editor view by clicking the Edit button. After registering your application, you will be able to access the read and write actions with the respective buttons. For a GATT client to reach our server, you need to be pairable, discoverable, and you need to turn on LE advertising on the ITN, then you can connect to your device, and the GATT communication can begin. How can the ITN 1000 help in real-life test situations? With the help of our device, it is easy to write key fob attributes at the end of production line, read battery status from a Bluetooth headset, read mileage, VIN and fuel level from automotive head unit, read tire pressure level from sensors. Now let's see how the ITN 1000 works as a GATT client. First, you need to be pairable, discoverable, and you need to turn on LE advertising on the ITN, then initiate the connection from the device that is hosting your GATT server. Once connected, you should search for your device in the search bar on the device list. After selecting the device, you will be able to see all the remote services on the Services tab, and like the server mode, you can read and write values and change their display format. The read and write buttons will be disabled based on the service permissions, so if a service is readable but not writable, the write button will be disabled. For attributes with the Notify property, acquiring and releasing of notifications is also possible with the corresponding buttons. In this video we talked about the GATT functionality. Check out our other videos for more details about the ITN 1000. See you there!